During our Farm Basics time today, we're going to talk a little about why certain plants can produce their own nitrogen or how they can do it. Typically it's legume plants, but we'll discuss this today.
Well, if you read any farm magazines, you'll hear farmers talking about this all the time. Wow, it'd sure be nice if corn and wheat could produce their own nitrogen. Why? Well, because we have to put a lot of nitrogen onto those crops. They're high nitrogen users to make a protein seed. Well, they need that nitrogen to build the protein. Well, with soybeans, you think, oh, okay, how come farmers don't talk about this so much with soybeans? Because they already do produce their own nitrogen. They work symbiotically with a bacteria found in the soil called rhizobia bacteria.
So what happens is these rhizobia bacteria can actually pull nitrogen from the air, convert it into a form the plant can use, and then give it to the plant. And you might say, well, wait a second, this sounds like a great deal for the plant. Why in the world would these bacteria do that? They get sugar from the plant. And the more nitrogen they provide the plant, the bigger the plant gets, and the more sugar it can produce, the more sugar that plant then ends up kicking out to those rhizobia bacteria.
Now, this is something that happens very early in the season. Soybean roots put out some signals out into the soil that, hey, we are giving out these sugars. We'd love to have these bacteria come. The bacteria sense those signals and the sugars and all of a sudden will infect that root. And what you'll see on the soybean roots is little colonies called nodules. So you'll see these little white lumps on the root system, and actually the bigger those lumps, the better for the soybean plant. It's going to produce more nitrogen. And then also with soybean roots, if it's closer to the taproot that you see these nodules, the more impact you'll get versus way off on some lateral root.
Well, yeah, but I think part of that, Darren, is when it's off the main taproot, there's more sugar that's produced there. So usually the bigger nodules are there, more of the nitrogen is produced there. So that's kind of what's going on. The other thing that you can do if you want when you see these nodules, and yes, Darren said they start early, but they can go all season long. Anyway, you can slice them open. If they are pinkish red, then that's going to tell you, hey, these nodules, they're active. They are producing nitrogen right now. The bacteria are producing nitrogen for the plant today. If you slice them open and you see they are black or brown, well, then that colony has basically dried up. It is dead.
Now, for many years, we've known about this symbiotic relationship with rhizobia bacteria, and actually now we take these bacteria, we'll grow them out and produce them in large quantities. So farmers will actually apply some more of those bacteria right to the seed so that process can begin a little quicker, but there will be some native rhizobia out in the soil. It's just that we've picked some of the best strains of those rhizobia to put right on our seed. This is true for soybeans and other legume crops.
So once again, plants, all plants, need nitrogen, and fortunately there are some plants that are able to produce their own nitrogen based on this symbiotic relationship they have with soil bacteria.
Now, we don't have a very symbiotic relationship with our Weed of the Week. We want to get it out of our fields. We'll show you how to do that coming up later in the show.